Let's create. So I'm going to prepare some southern style chicken. I'm going to fry it. And make sure you have this skin. You know, you want it this way for this particular recipe. And I like the dark skin, thighs and legs. And a couple of things I want to do first is I'm going to show you a trick. I like to do this. I like to get something like fork or whatever. Pinch it a little bit. You will see what I'm doing this. You don't go crazy, just a little bit, you know. And what you're going to do is you're going to get things ready. So one thing that you're going to need an egg, and you're going to need some buttermilk, but I prefer whooping cream. It's a little bit thicker. It's about half a cup here, one egg. Mix it together. You're going to whip this baby, okay? You're going to whip this baby. Oh, look at this, nice. And then you're going to get a bag, a Ziploc bag. If you don't have a big Ziploc bag, you can put in a container too, which I've done before. But a Ziploc bag will work, okay? So I'm going to put the chicken in the Ziploc bag. Then I'm going to add the mix to it. You're going to let it mix, okay? The egg and the milk in this case whipping cream. Leave it aside. So here I have cornmeal and flour. Ratio 3:1. 3 cornmeal, 1 flour. So if you have 3 half a cups of cornmeal, use 1/2 a cup of flour. That's 3:1. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some black pepper, about half a teaspoon. Same with garlic powder. No garlic salt, but garlic powder. Smoked paprika, same. And I like to crunch some dry onions, about same amount. And some salt. And then I like to whisk this baby together very well, okay? Very well. Yeah, nice. I'm preheating some oil. It's about an inch and a half of oil, by the way, my cast iron. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start getting this baby ready, okay? So I'm going to get the chicken, float it around. See how nice it look? Then from here, I'm going to transfer to here, just to position them. Do the same with the other pieces. Get your hands dirty. Get your hands dirty. Transfer. And continue. Being in medium high for about 3 minutes. This stuff is hot, okay? So carefully, start from the edges. Add these babies. Let the baby cook. It's been about 4 minutes. Oh, look at this beauty. Let me turn them around, okay? To cook the other side. Be careful not to burn. Look at this beauty. These chickens were room temperature. They were room temperature. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook the other side. About 4 or 5 minutes later, let me see how it looks on the other side. See how beautiful? Let me get them out. Paper towel. Look at this beauty, huh? What I'm going to do, I'm going to cook the other batch. And I've been in the South. I lived back in the day in Tennessee, near Memphis. I live in Virginia currently. I've been in northern Florida, lived there for a while. Of course, in the Caribbean where we fry chicken too. I have been in Georgia, St. Louis, Texas, Louisiana. And I have this to an hour, okay? I have it to an hour. Look at this beauty. Ah, look at this beauty. Look at this. Crunchy. Nice, right? Very nice.